Hello and welcome to Chris Hairstyle. So this is me sharing with you how I mimic the viral miracle knot hairstyle with this multi expression collection hair. So this is the hair we are going to be using, and the hair is not really that much inside, so I have two packs, though I didn't use like all. I first of all go and moisturize the hair, and then I'm cutting the hair in the middle, that's into two, and each strand like this will be divided into three, and there's no stress dividing it because the hair automatically separates into three different curly beautiful strands. But the difference here with the natural miracle knot extension is that this is not human hair, this is synthetic. It has a synthetic feel and shine. So I'm going to be showing you three different methods you can use to achieve this beautiful hairstyle, and this is the first method right here. If you're not subscribed, please do, so that when next I share a new video, you'll be instantly notified so that you can come watch. So keep watching, and I'll see you at the end of the video, and let me know which style stood out best for you and which one is more easier and which style you're going to be trying, and let me know what you think about me mimicking this miracle knot hairstyle with this synthetic multi-expression hairstyle. Okay guys, so I'll see you at the end of this video. The video already in itself is so self-explanatory, and talk to you later. Bye.